teachers know that currently we are having our children involved in lesbianism and homosexuality. And this is something that we do not want to speak because we want to look good. You look good and let your children go to hell. And this is something we must change as teachers. My office is looking into ways to deepen the impact of chaplaincy in all our schools and in the National Police Service and all our institutions in order to build the capacity of chaplains of the national level and at the grassroots level. For those who follow me, I visited the Inspector General of Police, Japhet Kome, on Wednesday to help actualize this agenda among many others. Institutions like the police and the prisons are lacking in areas of chaplaincy, mentoring and counseling, and that is why most of our young people, and especially the people I have a passion for, the boy child, is in those institutions. And they are dying, killing themselves because of depression, and they need chaplains that will